Stop saying very and improve your vocabulary. Be on cloud nine means to be very happy. I'm on cloud nine when I'm with her. Be over the moon and on cloud nine both mean to be very happy. I'm over the moon when I'm with her. Hilarious means extremely funny. That comedian is hilarious. Famished and starving mean extremely hungry. I'm famished. I could eat a horse. I could eat a horse is also used to say you are very hungry. I'm starving. I could eat a horse. Furious means very angry. The boss was furious about the missed deadline.
No! God, please, no!
Challenging means difficult in an interesting way. It looks challenging. Learning English is challenging. But we can do it. Splendid means excellent or beautiful and impressive. It's a splendid idea. Fabulous means extremely good or impressive. We had a fabulous time at the amusement park. Incredible means extremely good, large, or great. It was an incredible performance. Phenomenal means very great or impressive. The view was phenomenal. Awful, terrible, and lousy mean very bad. The weather is terrible. The food was cold and tasteless. It was awful. I'm a lousy cook. Not rocket science means very easy to learn or understand. Using a smartphone is not rocket science. Anyone can do it. Straightforward means simple and easy to understand. The pizza recipe is straightforward. A piece of cake means something that is very easy to do. Making a pizza is a piece of cake for me. Gorgeous means very beautiful. You look gorgeous. Stunning and gorgeous both mean very beautiful and attractive. You look stunning in that dress. Essential means to be very important to complete or achieve something. Water is essential for the growth of plants. Vital means to be necessary for survival or success. Exercise is vital for maintaining a strong body. Fascinating means very interesting. The book has a fascinating story about a talking animal. Heartbroken means very sad. She was heartbroken when her long-distance relationship didn't work out. Devastated means very shocked and upset. I was devastated by my mom's car accident. Hideous means extremely ugly or bad. Be careful with the pronunciation of this word. It's not hideous, it's hideous. The Eiffel Tower was considered hideous when it was built, but it has now become one of the best tourist attractions. Spotless and immaculate both mean very clean. The house is spotless. The house is immaculate. Filthy means very dirty. The river is filthy, polluted with waste. Enormous, huge, giant mean extremely large. The enormous mountain is covered in snow. The party was a huge success. Look at that giant tree in the park. Tiny, minuscule mean very small. The baby's tiny feet are adorable. The chances of winning the lottery are minuscule. Fatigued, worn out, and exhausted mean feeling very tired and in need of rest. The lack of sleep made her feel fatigued. I've been working all night and I'm worn out. You look exhausted. Brilliant means extremely smart or skillful. She is a brilliant young musician. Intelligent means to be able to learn and understand things easily. He is an intelligent student. Quiz. Instead of saying very happy, you could say on cloud 9 or over the moon. Using a microwave is straightforward. Just enter the cooking time and press start. Packing for a weekend trip is not rocket science. She looks stunning. I'm famished. I'm starving. I could eat a horse. That comedian is hilarious. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.